Welcome to another delicious episode with your favorite animated chef, Duey C.K. Today, we're celebrating the 4th of July with a patriotic berry trifle that's as festive as it is flavorful. Let's get started with the ingredients. Fresh strawberries, blueberries, whipped cream, vanilla pudding, and pound cake. Begin by slicing the strawberries and setting them aside. Now cut the pound cake into cubes, creating the perfect base for our trifle. In a clear trifle dish, start layering. First, a layer of pound cake cubes, followed by a generous dollop of vanilla pudding, then a handful of sliced strawberries and blueberries. Repeat these layers until you reach the top of the dish. Finish with a beautiful crown of whipped cream and a sprinkle of berries. This dessert not only tastes amazing, but also paints a patriotic picture with its red, white, and blue layers. But here's a fun fact. The trifle's origins date back to 16th century England, yet its American twist is now a staple at many 4th of July celebrations. As you enjoy this sweet treat, you're indulging in a slice of history. Duey C.K. and his sidekick Peppy bring you this delightful recipe that's sure to be a hit at your holiday gathering. Remember, each layer tells a story, just like each celebration brings us together. So gather your loved ones, and let's toast to freedom with this berry-licious delight.